refused to move out of my wheelchair space because of the beer. Well, we get to the train station and there's no disabled carriage. The only space they have is in the wheelchair, is in the first class carriage. We were well into an hour into the journey, and a woman got on, and there was all this commotion, and I hear the guard coming on, and he's like, "You got to fold up this scooter," and so he wanted me to fold the scooter up, and it's like, we didn't want to have to take everything apart, nor should I. So it got all escalated, and he basically said, "Fine, I'm calling the police, and this train will be stopped at Taunton." Then he made an announcement over the tannoy saying that it was the woman with the mobility scooter that was causing problems.
Our video main taking photos of me sending a video over the internet, so this train will be delayed at Taunton until this matter is resolved. Thank you.
You're now getting kicked off the train because I refused to move. It was humiliating, and I cried for most of the journey home, which was really embarrassing. And I'm sick of this, having to deal with this all the time. I don't know what it is about this country. I mean, they really make you feel disabled.